you can pull. This is very easy. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Klaverstijn Sisters. And guys, today in this video, we are going to unbox our sleigh. Sleigh for the snow.
SLED in English, and you use it to for children or grown-ups, but mostly for children. They can sit in the sled and then you can slide in the snow.
Yes. Okay.
It's like a skeleton, but then with no wheels. So okay, so we're going to unbox now.
Unbox now and be with us guys. Samahan nyo kami guys mag-unbox sa aming sleigh. And let's start. Okay guys, my husband will gonna open. We'll
open
unbox.
the box.
Okay.
I cannot wait.
So our Fayana cannot wait what is inside in our box. So
Very curious what's inside.
she's very curious guys. So Papa help us. Yeah, come on, open. Help me, Papa. Wow, what is that now?
A nice sled, like
Nice LED.
one Santa Claus is riding on.
Oh, worth all.
What?
Worth how much is this?
70 euro.
This guys, this sleigh, it cost 70 euro. So we are so excited to sleigh in the snow, guys, because now for now it's still snowing outside. So we're going to play in the sleigh. So to be continued, guys, later. Tomorrow will be next our vlog for our so this guys, and you can see it's very nice, it's very comfortable to sit on the top, and it can be also 2 or 3 people here, children, or also me. I want also to be with this one. I want to experience how fun to play with these guys. So guys, let's see.
With the rope you can pull.
You can pull this rope. Very fast. Hard fast. Yeah.
How fast? Yeah, you can
Yeah. She can
pull and
pull
then
this
pull
one
forward.
forward. This guys. And you can pull. This is very easy. It's like it's a wood sleigh.
You can sit in it.
Yes.
You can only sit
Yeah, there she can sit that one, and Papa will gonna pull.
and then it's of course for in the snow, not for on the wooden floors. Not so good for your floor,
Yes.
but okay.
It's not good for the floor, but for the snow. Yes, that's the sleigh. It's very good. I'm very curious for tomorrow. Yeah, outside. How it works and how fun with our Fayana and Brianna. Can also with the baby, can sit baby also here. Can you put baby here, Papa? Yeah, Pop, baby Oak, na. Baby Oak, had you had fast with baby? Here, Sita. Here, the baby Oak, Brianna Oak, Mood, Sita. Yes. So much. Guys, yeah, can you pull? And she's going to pull her sister. With this, very good. Yeah. Yes. Very good. Yes. Oma is here. No, Oma is not here. Yes. Yes. Brianna? She really like it. Guys, look at her face. Yes, she's so fun. Yes. Oh no, Fayen. Take out the baby. Yeah, very good. Very good, anak. And here, take a seat. Yeah, this side. Yes. Just slowly, anak. So, they are so fun. Yeah. Have fun, Payen and Bree. Yes. And tomorrow will be continued for our vlog. Yes. She really like it. Why cake up? Cake up. Yay! Kung sa ato pa ni guys, paluwa siya, paluwa. Sa girit sa paluwa. Mountain Boys SLED Works. The name of the company.
Almost the same price, but might as well buy a wooden one then.
Yeah. This is very, I think it's very safer. Yeah. It's yeah. Dali! Come on! Hard fast ito! Hard fast! Mama! Alin mama hard fast? Uy! Yeah. Yeah. She's so fun. Sleep na. It's nice. Just hold up. Ayan, Brianna na. Ayan. It's nice that they are together. It's so fun. Brianna, come here. With your shoes. Dali, sama ni Jesus. With your ate. Hina ate. Sama with ate. Yeah, kaya. Saman. Good stuff. Yeah, she wants to hold her sister. Yeah? How's that, huh? Sino na yun?